Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this lecture, we are going to see the important points of a surveying. Like we have covered the important points of estimation. So in this lecture, we will see the important key points of a surveying. All these are the important point because generally questions are asked from these topics. Okay, so first is what is clinometer. So clinometer is a device used for the vertical angle measurement. Ghat tracer is used for the determination of a gradient. All these uses are important because generally questions are asked that Ghat tracer is used for. Okay, so Ghat tracer is used for the determination of a gradient. Planimeter is used for the area measurement. Pantograph is used for enlarging or reducing plan or drawing. Okay. Bathymeter is used for the measurement of depth of water bodies. Tachymeter is used for the horizontal and vertical distance measurement. Theodolite is used for the measuring horizontal and vertical angles. Remember this, that tachymeter is used for the horizontal and vertical distance measurement, and theodolite is used for the horizontal and vertical angles. Cross staff used for setting out right angles. Substance bar is used for the horizontal distance measurement. What is magnetic declination? So it is an angle between the magnetic meridian and a true meridian. So what is magnetic declination? So this is your true meridian to the north and south, and this is your magnetic meridian. So this is the angle. The angle between the true meridian and the magnetic meridian is your magnetic declination. Okay, your magnetic declination can either on the right side, on the eastern side of the true meridian, or on the western side. So if it is on the east side, then your true bearing will be equals to the magnetic bearing plus declination. If it is on the west side, true bearing will be equals to magnetic bearing minus declination. Okay, now we will see what is dip. So it is the inclination of magnetic needle of compass with the horizontal. So dip at the equator is equals to 0 degree, and dip at the pole is equals to 90 degree. All these are the important points because MCQs are framed from these topic. Okay. Next is isogonic line. What is isogonic line? Line joining equal value of magnetic declination will be your isogonic line. Don't get confused between the isogonic line and agonic line. Okay. Line, what is agonic line? That is line joining zero magnetic declination will be your agonic line, and line joining equal value of magnetic declination will be your isogonic line. Next is isoclinic line. What is isoclinic line? Line joining same value of dip will be your isoclinic line. What is aclinic line? Line joining zero value of dip. Okay. Next is what is geoid? It is zero elevation surface or imaginary sea level surface. Next is what is well conditioned triangle. This is also important. Okay, time well conditioned triangle is asked in the form of MCQ. So they will give you the different angles and you have to select the right angle for the well conditioned triangle. So it is a triangle in which no angle is less than 30 degree and greater than 120 degree. You have to remember that it is a triangle in which no angle is less than 30 degree and greater than 120 degree. So this will be your well conditioned triangle. Next is your optical square. What is optical square? It is used for setting out right angles. Radius of earth, it is also important that it is generally taken as 6370 kilometer. This value is used for many derivations. We will see all the different types of derivation. We will see the different numerical of surveying also. We have already covered the local attraction and height of instrument method, rise and fall method. You can cover all those methods from the surveying playlist. I hope you have understood this video, and if you find this video useful, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Next lecture we will see some other important topic of surveying, and if you want more lecture on the important point of surveying, then do comment below in the comment section and you can give your feedback in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Thank you.